Okay, this is Guess Where I Am Part 1. I have been here before, so you feel like you've been here before. I don't mean to make you like jealous of what I'm consuming at this particular state in my life, but I'm hungry and I need something small to good satisfy my stomach. It's not gonna like my stomach upset, so I need something I can digest easily, like protein, because believe it or not, vegetables give me gas and it messes up my stomach when it's that way. But normally vegetables is great, but not right now, because I don't they just take longer to digest. So yeah, when my stomach's like this, I need something I can digest quickly. Okay, I am gonna order. The guy is in front of me. I will order my food with the camera on, so you don't have to guess as hardcore. And if you're gonna get jealous of the food that I'm eating, then like don't watch this video, please.
How's it, sir?
Good, man. Can I get the two of the Flying Dutchmans with grilled onions?
Okay.
And an extra large Coke.
Okay.
That's it.
Let's go.
That's it. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice.
Thank you. The temperature gauge is still holding at, I don't know, because, you know, it's like, if there's three little black things in the center that are, and then there's little tiny ones, it's all the way on the far side of the little tiny one. It's above the 190, which corresponds to whatever they set the temperature thing to read at. So, I don't know what temperature it is, but it's not under the oh shit zone yet. That's kind of the point of doing this. If I got sitting in and out in my car, you know, and I do have the window open, no AC on, it's not really that hot on account it's like, what, March? Or, I don't know, some month. Depending on when you're watching this. He's like, oh, it's December. Yeah, maybe I recorded, yeah, never mind. That'd be complicated. I'm kidding. Well, I'm moving again. Vroom. Oh yeah, have you figured out where I am yet? You have to kind of understand, this is not about, like, this is about a drive-through, waiting in line for a certain amount of time, monitoring my gauge to make sure my engine's running properly. It's not about going to this place to eat here. Although I could have chosen any other line to wait in, but I thought I'd pick the one that was the slowest, that has the name that means it's the fastest. Because that would be ironic. Should be called Quality Time Burgers. Okay, here's a tip. Idle speed regulator issues with the Vipers, horrid, right? Okay, I'm sure you've done everything in the world. I did, like 3 times. Came down to oxygen sensor, whatever, issues, valves opened, and the mixture wasn't right, engine compensating due to, you know, whatever, complicated. The valves weren't working properly. So, yeah, when they get hot, they get loose, and then they start moving, okay? So, Marlboro Mystery Oil, dropped it in, 6,000 miles later, never. It hasn't come back. Marlboro, I mean, I didn't believe it. I told the mechanic, I'm like, hey, don't be mad at me, dude, but this is what I did. He's like, no, I don't think it's gonna hurt it. So it's safe to put in your car. Marlboro Mystery, whatever. Try it on your idle speed regulator problems before you clean out the idle speed regulator motor and clean your throttle bodies and clean your manifold absolute pressure sensor. And you go through all that, drop in like 300 miles before you change your oil. Marlboro Mystery Oil, I'm telling you, it did it for me. Fixed my problem. Hasn't come back since I put it in, let's put it that way. I put it in, ran 300 miles, changed the oil. It stopped literally the second I put it in the car. Like, fired it up, it was gone. The problem gone. It was intermittent before. It would come and go, come and go. One time it acted like it was going to do it, and I'm like, aha, it didn't work. No, it worked. Try it. I did. It worked. Okay, that was the Viper tip for the day then. Marvel Mystery Oil, red bottle. I poured it in my car. In the oil, you know, Okay, you can read the label. Please read the label lots. Read the label like twice until you completely understand it. Then understand what I did by only putting a bottle in it when my car was about a quart low on oil, bringing it up to the oil normal level, driving at 300 miles, and then changing the oil. Ugh. It worked though. That doesn't sound like off. Good. Okay, thank you. Good. Thank you. I never got that before. Thank you. No, thank you. No, I'm good. You too.